Guys, samahan niyo ako magluto tayo ng dry mushroom soup with different kinds of Chinese herbs. Ayan guys. Andito yung mga Japanese yam, yuzu, redish, wolfberry, almonds, nandiyan na po lahat. With carrots po, black fungus, white fungus, of course, yung pinaka-soup natin is chicken bone soup. Ayan. Yan po ang gawin natin, panglasa ng tubig niya. So, yung chicken bone natin is, na-blanch ko na po siya para maalis na po yung mga fats and siya kaya malinisan siya ng maigi. Ayan guys, so, with the ginger and the garlic. Ayan guys, so maglagay na tayo ng oil. Ayan, at may oil na pala. Kasi pinapain ko na yung wok natin. So, ilagay na natin yung ginger and garlic. Ayan guys. Then after that, ilagay natin yung chicken bone natin. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan, so lagyan natin ng tubig guys. Ayan guys, nalagyan na natin ng tubig. So, yan po yung level ng tubig kasi we cook this in 2 hours. So, pag konti lang po yung tubig niya, syempre mawawala po yung tubig niya. After 2 hours, wala na po siyang tubig. So, kailangan ganyan po, kadami yung tubig niya. Yan guys. And then na po, gaya ko po yung mga herbal, Chinese herbal. Ayan. So, nilagay na. Then, of course, the carrots. And, of course, yung special ingredients natin, pinaka-main ingredients natin is dried mushroom. Ayan, guys. So, iboboil po natin siya. Then, ilagay po natin yung black fungus. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, cover po natin siya. Wait po natin siyang mag-boil. Ayan. Let's open little bit yung lid niya para in case na mag-boil siya ng sobrang yung water hindi po siya lalabas. Ayan guys. So, yung white fungus natin, ito po, mamaya na po natin ilalagay yan kasi malambot po yan. Ayan guys. So, we need to wait for to boil para Ayan guys. Must be, fire is must be high. Ayan. Then after, pag nag-boil na siya, yun, ilo-low fire po natin siya. Ayan guys, kumukulo na siya. So, kailangan nating pahina yung apoy. Ayan. So, we need to wait for 2 hours. So, yung boiling time po niya is 2 hours. Ayan po siya guys. So, we need to wait for 2 hours po para mas maano po yung katas ng herbal at saka yung yung mushroom and the chicken bone. Yan guys. So, we need to wait for 2 hours. Guys, ilagay na natin yung natin, black fungus. Ayan. So, more than an hour na siya. So, ilagay na po natin yung black fungus. Yan guys. Haluin po natin. Ayan. Ayan guys. So we need to wait for half an hour. Ayan. Half an hour. So a little bit, medium fire. Ayan. Guys, check natin. Ayan guys, tapos na po yung soup natin. Sobrang na siya. Ayan guys. Malapot na siya. Ayan. You see guys. Ayan guys, sobrang na siya guys. So tapos na yung soup natin guys. In 2 hours. Ayan. Hope you like it. Happy viewing. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.